Hello students, good morning. Now today we discuss another example in logarithm. Here example, prove that log y base x multiple log z base y multiple log w base z is equal to log w base x. Here now given this, then we can prove log w base x. So solution, first we write left hand side. Left hand side log y base x multiple log z base y multiple log w base z. मतलब લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ જે ડાબી તરફનો હાથ હોય એટલો ભાગ તમારે લેવાનો છે. તો log y base x multiple log z base y multiple log w base z. Now here our formula is log b base a, change the base, then log b numerator मतलब अंश में and log a denominator मतलब छेद में. Now here b is equal to y and a is equal to x, then log y numerator and log x denominator. So log y by log x. Similarly process log z base y, then log z is numerator and log y is denominator. So multiple log z by log y multiple log w by log z, log w by log z, log y by log x multiple log z by log y multiple log w by log z. Here log y and log y same, then multiple ma same cancel, log z and log z are same, that is cancel. So here log w by log x. So formula log b by a is equal to log b base a. Here b is equal to w and a is equal to x, then log w base x. So here log w base x, this is right hand side and hence prove the example. Now same example to in your workbook, so complete now you. Now again example, prove that मतलब साबित करो कि log x square base y multiple log y cube base z multiple log z raised to 4 base x, that is equal to 24. Now here log x square base y multiple log y cube base z multiple log z raised to 4 base x, answer 24. Now first solution, first right way left hand side. This is your left hand side. So log x square base y multiple log y cube base z multiple log z raised to 4 base x. Now here our formula log b base to n base a, that is equal to n log b base a. Power formula, n in index, then go to multiple. Here x square is index, then go to multiple, then 2 log x base y multiple 3 log y base z. Similarly 4 in multiple 4 log z base x. Now again our formula log b base a, change the base, then log b by log a, log b by a. Here b is equal to x, a is equal to y, then log x by log y. So here 2 multiple log x by log y multiple 3. Here b is equal to y, a is equal to z, then log y by log z. So log y by log z. Again multiple 4, b is equal to z and a is equal to x, then log z by log x, then log z by log x. In multiple same cut, then log x is cut. So log y is same cut, and log z is same cut. So here 2 multiple 3 multiple 4. Now here 2 3s are 6 and 6 4s are 24. So answer is 24. It is right hand side, and hence prove the example. Similarly example you are in workbook, so you are complete your work. Now again example, prove that log p base a plus log p square base a square plus log p cube base a cube plus log p raised to 4 base a raised to 4, that is equal to 4 log p base a. Now here solution, left hand side, given here log p base a plus log p square base a square plus log p cube base a cube plus log p raised to 4 base a raised to 4. P base a plus log p square base a square plus log p cube base a cube plus log p raised to 4 base a raised to 4. Now formula, change the base, change the base. Change base. Log b is a is equal to log b by log a. Now here b is equal to p and a is equal to a, then log p by log a. So here log p by log a plus here b is equal to p square and a is equal to a square, then log p square by log a square. So log p square by log a square. Similarly process log p cube by log a cube. Log p cube by log a cube plus log p raised to 4 by log a raised to 4. P raised to 4 by log a raised to 4. Now our formula in power. So power 2 is power, 2 in power log, 3 is power and 4 in power log. So here log p by a, log p by log a plus now 2 in power, then 2 multiple log p. Here 2 multiple log a plus power in 3, then 3 multiple log p. Here 3 multiple log a plus 4 power, then 4 log p by 4 log a. Now here addition, then same cut, 2 2 cut, 3 3 cut and 4 4 cut. Now here log p by a, log a plus log p by log a plus log p by log a plus log p by log a. Now log p by 1 time, 2 time, 3 time and 4 time, then 4 multiple log p by log a. But our formula is log b base a is equal to log b by log a. जो log b બેઝી બાય a હોય તો log b by log a લખી શકાય, તો log b by log a હોય તો log b બેઝી a રાઇટ કરી શકાય. then 4 log p base a, that is right hand side and hence proof. So this type example in your workbook, so complete to your workbook. Now another example, here prove that, साबित करो के log p square बेजी रूट q मल्टीपल लॉग q स्क्वेयर रूट r मल्टीपल लॉग r स्क्वेयर बेजी रूट p is equal to 24. Now your answer is 24. So here given left hand side LHS, left hand side log p square base root q log q square root r log r square base root p. Now first we convert root 2 in 1 by 2 because root a is equal to a raised to 1 by 2. So here log p square q raised to 1 by 2 multiple log q square base r raised to 1 by 2 log r square base p raised to 1 by 2. Now our formula is log b base a, that is change the base log b by log a. This is our formula. So b is equal to p square, then p square in numerator, a is equal to q raised to 1 by 2, then q raised to 1 by 2 is denominator. p square અંશમાં આવશે અને q ની 1 by q raised to 1 by 2 છેદમાં આવશે. Then log p square by log q raised to 1 by 2. Here now multiple log q square log r raised to 1 by 2 multiple log r square log p raised to 1 by 2. Now here 2 in is a power, then 2 multiple log p, here power 1 by 2, then 1 by 2 log q multiple 2 log q one by 2 log r, similarly 2 log r 1 by 2 log p. In multiple log p same cancel, similarly log q same cancel, similarly log r some cancel. Then here 2 by 1 by 2 multiple 2 by 1 by 2 multiple 2 by 1 by 2. But 2 is in multiple 2, then 2 to the 4 multiple, similarly 2 to the 4 multiple, similarly 2 to the 4. Divide માં 1. Now 4 for the 16 for the 64. That is our answer.